So how to duplicate a page, I'm gonna show you on Wix website editor. So duplicate a page on Wix, we're gonna have to go here to pages and menu, and then here we have all the pages we have, and then if you want to duplicate it, you can click on the three dots here, and then here we have duplicate, the option to duplicate your page. You're gonna click on that. Now I don't want to make this a dynamic page. Usually when I'm duplicating, I just want to duplicate and that's it. If I want to make it a dynamic page, there is an option for that. Click on duplicate page. Now I have a duplicate of this page. Copy, you can rename it this and click on done. And then there's also, you can right click on the page, you click on copy, and then you can just click on there and then right click and you're gonna see paste. You can also click or just use the on your keyboard, press command plus C and then command plus V. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.